of 106 in terms of provincial assembly. वो identical है sir. So ये बड़ा critical है. अगर constitutional makers को इन दोनों की अलग अलग मीनिंग देनी होती है.
Forget that argument.
Meaning is not relevant.
Read it and
जी.
tell us.
अब मैं अपनी इंटरप्रिटेशन
नहीं अपनी नहीं, इसका टेक्स्ट का बताए ना.
जी मैं टेक्स्ट पे ही आ रहा हूँ. जी और वो अगर नेक्स्ट ही है, अगर मैं पढ़ दूं मेरा पॉइंट जो
Now I want read the text. Now tell us what you're saying.
Sir, the critical thing which turns on the question is that can a political party which has not won or secured any seats in the general elections be entitled to reserved seats simply because they secure general seats as a result of independent joining them after the election? So this turns on the words won and secure. These are the two words which are used in the, how those words, your lordship's question, how those two words are interpreted will determine whether reserved seats can be given to a party which is not contested but still has members, still has general seats in the assembly or not. Now, how should the words won and secure be used? Should they be interpreted in terms of their literal interpretation or some other? Now I come to my next.
Further, the word such political parties.
Such political parties. And it's referring to the main provision.
वन करने के जो मायने हैं
जी,
अगर कोई इंडिपेंडेंट ज्वाइन करता है कोई पार्टी
जी,
उस पार्टी ने इलेक्शन ना लड़ा हो
जी,
तो क्या जिन लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया है वो सीटें जीती गई हैं या ज्वाइन हुई हैं?
जी.
तो वन का लफ्ज़ तो यही है कि उनका जीतना जरूरी है या वो जीतने जरूरी नहीं है, ज्वाइन करना ही जीतना हो गया उनको.
बिल्कुल. अब सवाल यही है कि these two words, both words, secure and won, what do they mean?
You are saying disregarded their natural meaning.
Yes.
We should disregard their natural meaning.
You disregard their natural meaning.
Why?
अब वही मैं बता रहा हूँ. You adopt a meaning which comes from the context of this provision. If your lordships adopt the meaning that a political party which simply
the question is why should we do it?
नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ. इसलिए क्योंकि the main thing is not the natural meaning of the word. The main thing is the purpose of the provision, the intention of the constitutional maker. That is the main principle of interpretation.
यहाँ पे अगर purpose देखा जाए, the only purpose is to give chance to the independents to join a political party which contested election, one secured the seat, सिर्फ इस मकसद के लिए कि ताकि उनकी जो फाइनल तादाद मालूम हो, उसके बाद ये जो सीट्स हैं वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होंगी अमंग्स पार्टीज. इसमें कोई पाबंदी नहीं है कि वो किसी पार्टी में ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकता. सपोज इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट्स आउट ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट पार्टी को ज्वाइन करते हैं, वो ज्वाइन तो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन सवाल ये है कि क्या ज्वाइन करने के बाद जो प्रेरोगेटिव इन पार्टीज को दिया गया जिन्होंने इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट किया, जिनको लोगों ने वोट दिए, पार्लियामेंट का हिस्सा बनाया, आप उनसे उनको डिप्राइव करके उस पार्टी को दें जिन्होंने कोई जहमत ही नहीं की इलेक्शन लड़ने की?
Because reserved seats are not dependent on your performance in election. Reserved seats are dependent, words used हुए, on the basis of general seats in the assembly. This is not a proportional representation
होना तो
system.
जरूरी है ना फैसल साहब, फिर जनरल सीट का होना जरूरी है ना उस पार्टी के पास.
नहीं है सर. नहीं है. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ क्यों.
Further question. Independent can form a new political party?
नहीं कर सकते
सर 3 दिन में अगर कर सकते हैं और रजिस्टर करवा सकते हैं.
Your answer.
सर अगर 3 दिन में हो सकता है, क्योंकि ये 3 दिन में एक एनलिस्टेड पार्टी ज्वाइन
बात है ना, ये इसीलिए तो आपसे पूछ.
जी 3 दिन में, अगर 3 दिन में कर सकते हैं.
If they form a new party, then they are entitled for the seats.
Yes. इसलिए क्योंकि सर जो क्रिटिकल बात है ना,
एक माइंड में रखिएगा, आपने कहा था 104 को सेक्शन को आप उसको वायरीज को आप नहीं चैलेंज कर रहे.
सर मैं उस पे भी आऊंगा.
आपने यही कहा था ना कि now in appeal you are not challenging the.
I am saying that is an alternative argument, but there is nothing in 104 which is a bar to my submitting lists of candidates after the election.
सर
There is
सिद्दीकी
nothing.
साहब,
जी।
आपकी इंटरप्रिटेशन से सीट सिक्योर्ड बाय पॉलिटिकल पार्टी तो रिडंडेंट हो चला जा रहा है, तो कोई भी कानून ऐसे नहीं पढ़ा जा सकता जिससे कोई भी एक्ट रिडंडेंट हो, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सीट सिक्योर भी नहीं हुई है और वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी भी नहीं है। लिहाजा आपकी इंटरप्रिटेशन से ये जो लफ्ज इस्तेमाल किया गया, सीट सिक्योर्ड बाय पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, इट इज बिकमिंग रिडंडेंट
Sir, मैं
एंड देयर कैन नॉट बी एनी redundancy attributed to the
There is-
provision of the law.
There is no
Mr.
redundancy.
Faisal
Let me
Siddiqui,
read-
if I just further what my distinguished colleague has just said, you don't want, from what I've been able to understand of your submission, you don't want an interpretation, albeit you call it a progressive interpretation. You want to attach, and this is taking the point further that Justice Fan has mentioned, you want deletion of the word secured and one
No.
from the
No.
Constitution, or you don't want these words, or you want these words to be rendered meaningless.
No, I don't want either of them, and
That would be the natural consequence
no,
of
it
your
will not be the
submission.
natural. Let me read my 2 points and then I'll answer all 3 questions.
फैसल साहब
जी।
फैसल साहब
मैं फिर ये तीनों सवाल एक ही
हाँ, अब
सीधे
आप
मुझे
पढ़ लें अपने
बताएं।
टेक्स्ट, अब देख लिया।
जी,
हाँ।
दिस इज अ एक्सेप्शनल केस
जी
पहले ये बताइए एन इनलिस्टेड पार्टी
जी
because I went through the order of the election commission which was passed prior to the elections
जी
because one of the councils has placed it on record now,
जी जी
Mr. Salman Akram Raja.
जी जी
They have confused the entire matter on the basis of that the symbol was taken away.
जी
So since the symbol was taken away, therefore it is no more a political party.
जी
But yet they recognize it as an enlisted political party.
Yes.
Now, as an enlisted political party, how does a party secure or win an election? Because the symbol, to my mind, is not relevant.
yes
So a enlisted political party not necessarily has to have a common symbol to secure a general seat.
yes
So that is what needs to be determined.
Yes.
Neither the expression secure nor the expression one will become redundant. Because the question is that even the Election Commission recognizes both the parties as enlisted political parties.
Yes.
Now without a symbol, common symbol, how do they secure or win an election? That's a question.
yes
Mr.
Now,
President,
let me-
Mr. Siddiqui, if I can just continue with the observations of my other distinguished colleagues, just as Athar Manila, that PTI continued to exist after the decision, continues to exist today, continued to exist as a political party, then why did these independents not join PTI?
जी
Simple.
ठीक
Didn't you commit suicide yourself?
no
You, of course, are representing, now you have a conflict of interest. You think you don't have a conflict of interest, you have a great conflict of interest. Make up your mind who you represent before us.
sir
No,
I
एक second, ठहर जाइए ना. So, you could have simply said, we want to join PTI. End of story.
I couldn't have, and I'll explain why. मैं पहले इस सवाल का, क्योंकि this is at this stage of the argument. Let me address these 3
Or you
similar
can finish
questions.
reading it and then address as you
जी
please.
जी ठीक
Mr.
Let me-
Vesadiki, ये भी सुन